So we continue in Valle de Bravo, but this time we are going to enter some of the slightly more natural places. Those places that take our breath away and keep us from blinking. I had mentioned in the previous video El Velo de Novia, the wedding veil. And here I bring it right to you. But before, let's visit the Piedra de Molino, Millstone Waterfall, that is on the way there, shall we? It is a beautiful natural setting that invites you to enjoy the sounds produced by the short falls of water on lush rocks and the different singing of the birds. This place is ideal for picnics and walks. And speaking of the Velo de Novia, how to get there is very simple. We just dive into this waterfall and that's it. We are already in Velo de Novia. The other way is the conventional way. I recommend taking the choo-choo that brings you to the entrance of the park, where the waterfall is located. Or you can take a taxi from the town center of Valle, or you can drive your car to this place. There is parking available at a cost of approximately 30 pesos or about $1.50. The Velodenovia Park is a wonderful natural reserve. Located just 20 minutes from Valle de Bravo, and its main attraction is a 35-meter high waterfall, or about 115 feet. Following the path downhill, you will be able to reach the Valle de Bravo lake. The walk to the waterfall is only about 15 minutes. Take your time to enjoy the journey and let yourself be enchanted by the sounds of this beautiful place. Allow yourself to enjoy the warm and invigorating embrace of nature. And tell me in the comments what you see in this rock. According to the legend of this place, a beautiful woman was about to get married, but the groom never showed up at the altar. Deeply heartbroken, in an act of deep pain and shame, she threw herself down the cliff of the waterfall. Since then, the town began to call it Velo de Novia, bridal veil. This place is perfect for hiking, horseback riding, waterfall rappelling, or to enjoy a picnic with the whole family and friends. The park has barbecue service, parking, cabins, horseback riding, viewpoints, and of course, souvenirs and snacks that you must try. But hey, the information is here. Now I will let the images speak for themselves. Do not miss the following video where we will be visiting the Monarch Butterfly Sanctuary, very close to Valle de Bravo. Believe me, you will not want to miss it. It is an experience like no other. live el velo de novia.